Hello everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can activate your Windows 10 by following just 3 simple steps. Before diving into the video, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, now let's get into it. Step 1. As you can see right here, my Windows is not activated. Let's get it activated. First thing first, let's download Windows Activator by typing download Windows 10 Activator in Google search bar. Open the second link. Scroll down. Scroll down over again and download it. I've already downloaded it. Let me extract the file to desktop. Now comes step 2. Type settings in Windows search or press Windows key plus I. Scroll down. Click Update and Security. Click on Windows Security. Click here. Open this. Click Manage Settings. Turn off Windows Real-Time Protection. Step 3. Run the activation software. Copy and paste the password. Keep clicking Next and Next. Boom! Your Windows is now activated. Congratulations!